Hi, welcome. So we have got another question from circles, and let me quickly share my screen so that we can start the discussion here. All right, here we are. And this is the question. Question says that there is a circle with the diameter AB and the center of the circle is O, right? So let's, first of all mark this diameter on the circle and say this is the diameter of the circle. And the center of the circle is say O, and that is here. So this is O, right? And this is the diameter which is marked as AB. Now what they're saying is that C is a point such that angle AOC is equal to 135 degrees, right? So C is a point on the circle such that angle AOC, which is this, is basically 100 and all right, I'll just make it a little better. Yes. So this angle is 135 degree, right? Now, what they're also saying is that P is a point on the other segment of the circle. Now, what is this other segment? We need to understand. So one segment of the circle is this, where we have C as a point, right? So this is entire one circle starting from A, going through via C, and then finishing off at B. This is one circle, one segment, I would say. And the other segment of this circle is this one, right? This one, this side, starting from A, finishing off at B. Now, on this other segment, they are saying there is another point, which is say P, right? And if we connect C with P, and then we also connect with P, connect B and P both, right? Now, what they're asking us to find out is this angle. This is the angle which we need to find out, angle CPB, right? Now, see in circles, what happens is most of these questions they look very complicated, but they're very easy because we use certain theorems, and most of these questions are basically one-step questions. Now here we put in a lot of time in terms of constructing this, figure and diagram, but that was important. And now we'll quickly solve this question, right? There's one more construction. So far, whatever construction we have done was already given in the question. Now we are starting the solution part of the question, and we are, doing one construction from our side, and that is we are connecting C with B, right? So we are connecting C and B, right? So we've got BC as the chord of our circle, right? Now we already know that any chord, right, makes the angle at the center double to the angle it makes on the circle, double to the angle it makes on the circle, right? So now this is the theorem we have already studied in circle, and let's also see what does it mean really, this entire thing. What does it really mean? So what it means is that any chord, so we are talking about BC, right? When we say any chord, we are talking about BC. That makes the angle at the center. So chord BC is making this angle at the center, right? It's subtending. The other word which we say is that the chord BC is subtending this angle at the center, right? And this angle is basically, if I name this properly. So this angle is angle COB. So I write it like angle COB. Now they're saying that this angle is double, right, to the angle it makes on the circle. So this chord is making another angle on the circle, and this one is the double of this particular angle. So we can write that angle CPB, right? Now let's simplify it. So I'll write angle CPB is equal to, now this angle COB, right? This is angle COB, and this is 180 degree minus 135 degree, right? Because AB is the diameter and that's the straight line. So we can write simply 180 degree minus 135 degree, and that comes to 45 degree, right? So our angle CPB is equal to 45 degree divided by 2, and that comes to 22.5 degree, right? So this angle which we were to find, right, this one, this is coming to 22.5 degree with the help of the theorem, right? So I hope you could understand this question and enjoyed it. Keep watching these videos. I'll be coming up with the next video again very soon, most likely tomorrow. Thank you so much. Have a nice day and bye bye.